Hey guys, another shot. I got them off. I was able to clean this one. A little groove. So this one's full of solder. I'm killing them, don't get me wrong, but it's the only way in my situation. I'm not sure if it would have been better with a regular iron or not, but I'm just arcing this thing to get it to clear this. I don't have my desoldering tool here, of course. I'm not going to the garage. I have a foot pedal here on this unit. Just trying to get this solder out of this groove. Yeah, it's gone, mostly. You don't heat it up as much as long as you react quick, because you leave it there on this thin metal. I mean, I tried a piece of jewelry for my girlfriend, and I didn't work. Well, I don't know how to do it. And there's a chunk of solder up here. There must have been a wire. Okay, it's not in the clip good. Get in the clip, will you? I'm not trying to keep this heat on, I'll tell you. I mean, for getting ready to throw it out, I only melted the chassis a little because there was solder underneath it. Would have had to take the rivet out. I ended up melting it, but I melted it all back into position, as tight as can be. It should squeeze the motor. Anybody can see that. I wouldn't even know what motor goes to this because it's, I don't know if anybody could read that. Kader and a number. Kader. All right. Let's see if this thing is still operating. Here's the mess and the unit. It's from Micro Mart. It's the lower. Oh man, I forgot the watts and the amps of this pig. I'm really not doing a review on it, but I have a foot pedal. I had that electrode that you saw. Let's see what we says. They have a good one for like $500, but because I wanted to really solder the wiring, the heavy gauge wire for these RC airplanes real quick, because you do so many connectors on the speed controllers and the batteries and everything else. You just want to do it quick, and with a soldering iron, it's like, where's the shotgun? All right. Checking out again. Thanks for liking and subscribing, if possible. I know I'm working like a junkyard man, but 2 knee replacements, I'm half dead. Too much stuff. And this kind of shit didn't help my knee. I did this for years and years and years, motocross. But that wasn't really the real culprit. All right, check it out, man. Where's Tony TV Land been? I think he's been on like a eating binge for 3 weeks, just going crazy. I don't know where he is. All right.